closing the garage door on my poor chair. My poor chair. And this is what I did. Little oopsie. I fixed it on that side. Did I get it? I think I got it. Okay. You know what saved me? That's what I call Jesus in a bottle. Let's see if this works. Awesome. Okay. So, I sprayed some WD-40. Jesus in a bottle. Up in there. Let's see if I can do the magic trick again. Can I do it one-handed? I don't know. Let's see. I think it should be okay. It looks like it's alright. I guess that's some garage days. Double fisting one-handed. Okay, so what I did was I just finished pinching the metal on the corner there that kind of bent up a little bit so that it's more level. Right there. With the frame. So hopefully when the garage door goes up, everything will be intact and go in line. So we're about to give it a try and find out. Let's see. It's all in the tracks. So let this baby up, see what she does. We got a winner. Jesus in a bottle.
Oh, Jesus.